This is the DORMEO twin size topper that we are using for our foldable sofa here, and it was kind of a struggle for us to find the best solution for the sofa because it's not your regular bed. It had some requirements that we had to follow, such that it needed some straps that would kind of wrap around the base nicely, and the topper would not move around. We also needed something that would be thick enough to act like an actual mattress because the sofa itself is really hard, so we needed that extra cushion here, and we needed something to stay in place, and DORMEO twin topper really tops all of those things for us here, which I'll show in a second and walk you through why we like it. Firstly, let's talk about straps. There are a total of 4 on all the corners, and they are extremely stretchy, as you can tell, and they're also adjustable to fit any size mattress. This is pretty thick, and this is, like I said, not a standard sofa. However, if you have more of a standard mattress on the bed, it will stretch out to those much thicker mattresses from here, as you can tell, and it can be easily changed to a thinner option as well. Thanks to the straps, it stays nicely in place without shifting or sliding anywhere. However, there is some special surface on the other side of the mattress topper that is non-slip. It adds a grippy texture here, which will not slide on your surface. And it also is removable. The cover can be washed, which is awesome. As you can see, there is a zipper going all around it, and so easy to put it back on once you're done washing. Now the top itself is really plush and soft, and the fabric is nice and breathable. The beautiful part about this mattress, it comes with its own technology that is not memory foam, but it's very similar. It takes your shape of your body. When you stand up, it will actually come back to the original shape, and it's not too hard, not too soft. It properly supports your back, which has turned out to be extremely comfortable, especially after laying down on this super hard sofa that we used to. And finally, what I love about it is we put 2 sheets on top, one protector and one regular sheet, and they're fitted sheets, and they are still able to cover the entire thickness of our sofa plus the mattress topper. So it does work in combination with the regular mattress for the regular sized sheets. So that's absolutely amazing. So if you are in the market to improve your sleeping arrangement, I would strongly suggest you check out DORMEO, as it's proven to be worth the investment for us. It definitely adds that extra comfort to our bed, and honestly, all the features that we've been missing, we now have with this topper.